Welcome everyone, welcome to my channel. Let us learn. Today we are going to solve a question which is from the chapter Playing with Numbers. The question is two tankers, you can see two tankers contain 850 liters and 680 liters of kerosene oil respectively. It means there are two tankers. One tanker contains 850 liters kerosene oil and other tanker contains 680 liters of kerosene oil. Now the second sentence is find the maximum capacity of a container which can measure the kerosene oil of both the tankers when used an exact number of times. So here now you can see this is the first container, this is the first tanker which contains 850 liters of kerosene oil. This is the bigger one. Now this is the second tanker which contains 680 liters of kerosene oil, and we need to find a container which has the capacity so that it can measure the kerosene oil of both the tankers when used an exact number of times. So we need to find the capacity of a container, this one, which can measure from both the tankers with exact number of times. So here is a magical word. If you don't understand exactly, then here is a magical word in such question. So this word you can see here, which is maximum. You can see here, if there is maximum, largest or biggest, such types of words in the question, then you can easily think that you have to take out HCF of the given numbers. So now let's take HCF of the number 850 and 680. Now we will find HCF of 850 and 680. So for finding out HCF, highest common factor, we divide these numbers only by prime numbers. So first of all, I am dividing 850 by the prime number. You can divide by 2, 3, 5, any of the prime number which can divide this number exactly with remainder 0. So I am taking first 5. So 5, 1 is 5, 5 7s are 35 and 0. Then again, because the ones place is 0, I can divide this by 5. One more time. 5 3s are 15, 2 remainder, and 5 4s are 20. Then this is an even number, so I will divide by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 7s are 14. 17 is again a prime number, so we can divide it by 17 itself. Now we'll try for 680. You can see at the ones place there is 0, so this number is divisible by 5, and 5 is a prime number. So 5 1 is 5, then 5 3s are 15, then 5 6 are 30. Now 136 is an even number. I can divide this number by the prime number 2. 2 6s are 12 and 2 8s are 16. You can divide slowly if you are not so fast. Then again divide by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Then again divide by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2. Now 17 is a prime number, so we'll take 17, 1 is 17. Now we write the numbers here. 850. The prime factors are 5 multiply by 5 multiply by this 2 and multiply by 17. Similarly for 680 we can write 5 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 17. So you have to see that we have used only the prime numbers. Now we'll see which numbers are common in which numbers are common here. So I can see that this is a common in both. This is also 2 is also common here, and 17 is also common here. So the HCF will be 1 from this pair, 1 5 from this pair, 1 2 from this pair, and 1 17 from this pair. So it will be 5 2s are 10. 10 into 17 is 170. Therefore, the maximum capacity of the container will be 170 liters. This is the answer. Thank you for watching and enjoy learning.